Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today we are at the grand launch of RealMe at Amity University. So RealMe has launched two handsets today, and this is the RealMe C1 I'm holding here. It looks really nice and premium at this price category. So let's see the first look of RealMe C1. So friends, this is the all new RealMe C1. It looks really nice and a premium at a very affordable cost. It has this metal unibody design with a glass back at the glossy glass back, you can say. Looks really nice, and at the back you get this dual camera setup with a flash. Rounded edges, is very comfortable to hold in the hand. It has a 6.2-inch big screen. The screen looks very bright and the colors are really sharp and crispy. Viewing angle is nice, and you get a triple SIM tray slot. That means 2 nano SIMs and 1 SD card slot with a power button and the volume rockers. Below you have this micro USB charging port, speaker grill, and the 3.5mm audio jack. Let's just run through the settings and see the about phone. So it has a Color OS version 5.1, and it comes with a combination of a RAM 2GB and ROM 16GB, Android version 8.1, and processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor, which is really nice at this price point. It has a big battery of 4230 mAh. With such a big battery, it does not feel heavy at all in the hand, as well as it has AI facial recognition. Let's see the camera. At the back we have a 13+2 megapixel dual camera setup, and you can see the beauty mode, color filters, HDR. The front camera is a 5 megapixel shooter. Being a 5 megapixel shooter, you can see it is capturing a lot of detail, and you get these options here. Again, a face beauty and color filters. So these are the modes: time lapse, video, photo, sticker, panorama, portrait. So you get portrait, you can click portrait pictures as well because it's a 13+2 dual camera setup. So let's just run through some of the pictures. I just clicked on the event here. So in this budget segment, it is a really nice deal. So friends, this was the first look of the RealMe C1 at this affordable price range of 6,999. It has been launched. This is the first handset with a notch at this price range and dual camera setup, big screen, and a Snapdragon 450 processor. So many good things at just a cost of 6,999. So RealMe C1 will be available from 11th of October, and this is a Flipkart exclusive device. This is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.